Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn how to describe people in Levantine Arabic. We're going to meet a few different characters and learn how to describe their physical appearances. So let's get started. First up, let's meet Noor. Her eyes are brown. عيونها بنيين. عيونها means her eyes and بنيين means brown. Since عيونها is plural for eyes, then بنيين has to be the plural form of the adjective brown. عيونها بنيين. Her eyes are wide. عيونها وساع. عيونها means her eyes, and وساع is the plural form of the adjective wide. عيونها وساع. Her lips are thin. شفافها رفاع. شفافها means her lips. رفاع is the plural form of the adjective thin. شفافها رفاع. Her skin is tan. بشرتها سمراء. بشرتها means her skin and سمراء means tan. بشرتها سمراء. She is pretty. هي حلوة. هي means she and حلوة means pretty. هي حلوة. Next up, we're going to meet Adam. His hair is short. شعره قصير. شعره means his hair and قصير means short. شعره قصير. He has a goatee. عنده سكسوكة. عنده means he has. سكسوكة means goatee. عنده سكسوكة. He is tall. طويل. طويل means tall. We can just say the adjective tall because it includes information about the person. However, if you want to emphasize and say he is tall, you could also say هو طويل using the pronoun هو, which means he. But it's also completely fine to just drop هو and say طويل. So to recap, to say he is tall, you can either say هو طويل or just طويل. He looks young. شكله صغير. شكله means he looks and صغير means young. شكله صغير. He is charming. مهضوم. مهضوم. Next up, let's meet and describe Sarah. Sarah is blonde. Sarah شقرة. Sarah is the name Sarah, but in Arabic, شقرة means blonde. Sarah شقرة. Her eyes are blue. عيونها زرق. عيونها means her eyes, and زرق is the plural form of the adjective blue. عيونها زرق. She has long eyelashes. عندها رموش طوال. عندها means she has, رموش means eyelashes, and طوال means long. طوال is the plural form of the adjective long. عندها رموش طوال. She has freckles. عندها نمش. عندها means she has, and نمش means freckles. عندها نمش. She is white. هي بيضة. هي means she is, and بيضة means white. هي بيضة. Next up, meet Malak. Her hair is straight. شعرها ناعم. شعرها means her hair, and ناعم means straight, and it can also mean soft. شعرها ناعم. Her green eyes are beautiful. عيونها خضر وحلوين. عيونها means her eyes. خضر is the plural form of the adjective green. و means and. حلوين means pretty or beautiful. عيونها خضر وحلوين. She's wearing glasses. لابسة نظارات. لابسة means she's wearing, and نظارات means glasses. لابسة نظارات. Her lips are full. شفافها مليانين. شفافها means her lips, and مليانين is the plural form of the adjective full. شفافها مليانين. She is black. هي سودة. هي means she, سودة means black. هي سودة. Next up, we're meeting Noah. He is bald. هو أصلع. هو means he, and أصلع means bald. هو أصلع. His beard is long. دقنه طويلة. دقنه means his beard, and طويلة means long. طويل is actually the feminine form of the adjective long because دقن, which is the word for beard or chin, is feminine. دقنه طويلة. He has a mustache. عامل شوارب. عامل literally translates to doing, but in this context, you can think of it as a way to paint a picture of someone actively growing or maintaining a mustache. It emphasizes that this person doesn't simply have a mustache, but they actively chose it as part of their style. شوارب means mustache. عامل شوارب. His eyebrows are thin. حواجبه رفاع. حواجبه means his eyebrows. رفاع is the plural form of the adjective thin. حواجبه رفاع. This is a way to say he is chubby or his body is solid in a polite way, and it's often also used as a compliment. جسمه مليان. جسمه means his body, and مليان means full. جسمه مليان. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة.